back to Memory Road. I know it's been a little while. You may remember this is a bit soft in here. Now nice and solid in there right now. That's good. That's after a bit of effort. Now we come around here. We're in Sydney lately. We've had some very interesting weather. It's been very hot, summertime, and very windy and rainy recently. So this has been put on hold for a little bit, but I'm back here now. As you can see, we've taken off pretty much half the panels of the other side, and I found quite a bit of moisture's got in there, which is pretty standard, I think. So we'll rebuild that area, those wires there from the clearance lights.
The van sounds great.
And I've also found that the bottom piece rail there that goes in underneath, that was also in need of replacing, rotted out pretty much all the way along as well. So it's that rail on the bottom there, it's rotted out, so I removed it now and got the wire wheel and removed most of the rust all the way along. All the way along there.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yeah, man. Did you
can see we used to put the water in. The water goes in there.
Did you enjoy it?
I'll have to get another one of them. I don't know, water spout or something it's called, not sure. That's pretty much had it, broken away. That can go to the bin. And then we're back to the other side. So yeah, this is how it looks at the moment. At the moment I've got the tarpaulin over this side, so I'm protected a bit from the water. So here is the back of the fridge. So I couldn't get the fridge to operate under 240 volts. So I'm going to remove it. I don't think it works. I don't really care anyway. I'm going to need a new one. Probably needs a new one. And there's the cooling mat all up in there. It's pretty had it, I think you'll find. Probably would have done 40 years of service, so probably needs replacing anyway. So I'll remove that in due course. Oh, that green cable there, that's the main earth, I'd say. The earth's out, towards to the rail here. So on the other side, inside the van there, you'll find that there's a kitchenette that goes from about this rail here all the way probably to that rail there, or even that one there maybe, not sure. I'll remove that, the whole lot on the other side, and I'll put something else in there, build something else in there, because I don't really want a kitchenette. I'm going to have the kitchenette coming outside under a awning. Let's go look inside and see exactly where the kitchenette is in relation to the fridge. So this is the edge of the fridge here. We'll see where the kitchenette starts in relation to the fridge and where it finishes in relation to that window there. That window there. Okay, let's have a look. As expected, it does start where the fridge is, just past the fridge as you can see. And in relation to that window there, I was a little bit off. It does come back a bit towards me, but the whole piece can come out. It's a bit dated. Probably needs to come out. Put something else there. I might put a bench there that I can sit at. I don't like that range hood either. That range hood does nothing. It's doing nothing. So there's a wide angle of how it looks today. As you can see, the tarpaulin trying to keep the weather out. It's been very wet here in Sydney the last couple of days and very hot, as I mentioned. But the tarpaulin seems to be doing okay for now. All in all, it's a work in progress. I'll see how I go. It seems to be pretty good. Okay. Well, that will be all. Bye for now. Oh, thanks for watching.